loading the content of the memory to the register R1. Load is there. So the source operand is most of the time it is in the square bracket. So square bracket means it is a memory reference. Okay, it is a memory reference. So the first instruction is load. Load takes 2 clock cycles. Okay, as I told, that is what you can observe here. First instruction is loaded in the ALU. Second is always queued in the add decoding stage. Okay, it is a converting from add to the what you can call it as a 0. So when loading, this is the cycle taken by the LDR, first cycle taken by the LDR. As I told, load instruction takes 2 cycles. So this cycle is also taken by the LDR only. There is even though the add is in the arithmetic logic unit, so addition operation is not at all going to take place because the previous instruction loaded is it is a LDR. So memory related instructions, it is executed by the processor. But I have shown the LDR memory reference, memories are very slow. So if the register reference is there, registers are available with the same processor on the same chip of the processor. So register related instructions execute like a add, move. So they take only one instructions. Whereas LDR, they are operated with the memories. Memories are very slow devices. Why they are slow? Because they are existed outside the processor chip, ARM processor chip. So definitely we need to locate the location. Then once the location is located, it has been transferred from the memory which is existed outside the ARM processor to the registers of the processor chip. So definitely they take more time. That is what we can call it as a, in the technical world, in the processor world, we can call it as a, it takes the 2 cycles. One is for the, so this is LDR is taking first cycle and LDR is taking second cycle. So therefore, until and unless the first instruction completes execution, it never perform operations on the second instruction. That is what the second instruction now push it to the third cycle. Please make the difference between these two. So there is only add instructions are there, and this one takes 1 cycle, and in the second cycle, so the second add is executed. So that's what I have marked here. So this is the first add. So in the second cycle, second add is there. So second add is there. It has been pushed to the LS1 because this is the next cycle of the ALU. So definitely this will come. So this position, and this has been shifted from this position to this position. There is no interlock, and they are very simple instruction, and they are taking one cycle only. That is what we can call it as a 1 millisecond or 1 microsecond. Each cycle is depend upon the frequency of the processor. You can decide the clock cycle timing. It is in the form of micro only, not in the second. But so in order to convince you people, I told second, but it is generally in the form of, because they operate in the form of the gigabytes. Okay, sorry, gigahertz. So gigahertz, it is 1 dividing by gigahertz. Okay, T is equal to, it is exactly inversely proportional to the frequency. So gigahertz, it is a 10 power minus 9. Okay, so that is what the time is very less. So gigahertz, so 10 power minus 9, or it is in the megahertz, 10 power minus 6. Okay, once it come to the numerator, because frequency is for the time frequency is in the denominator, megahertz means into 10 power 6. If you are taking to the numerator, it is a 10 minus 6 microsecond. Okay, like that, gigasecond, nanoseconds. Okay, so the clock cycle timing is fixed on the processor operation. Okay, so here because of this load instructions, it is taking and LDR is an instruction which loads the word to the memory. Hence, LS1 in the LS1 cycle only the LDR is going to complete. So 1 cycle is in the ALU, 1 cycle is for loading the operations or the data into the register R1. Okay, into the register R1. So for that, it is taking second cycles. One is for the operation and other one is for the loading. So second cycle is for the loading. While performing loading operation is also performed by the processor only. That is what the transfer operation from the memory location to the register of the processor is taken. That's what I told. The processor ARM processor perform two operations, okay, but not simultaneously, one after the other. So it brings the instruction from the memory to the processor register, and it performs the operations also, like a arithmetic operation as well as logical operation. This is not so in the case of the coprocessor. Coprocessor performs only the arithmetic operations, but they are not bringing the instructions or data from the memory. Whereas here, in the first operation, first cycle, it execute the load instructions. Load instruction means the data is transmitting from the memory location to the processor registers. Hence, in the second cycle, the processor is transforming the data from the memory location to the load registers. First cycle, it execute the load these instructions. It perform the operations on these instructions. Once it come to know that this is a memory related operations, so it stops the performing the operation and start transmitting the data from memory location to the registers. That's what the add is not executed in the second cycle. Second cycle, the processor is performing transformation of the data from memory location to the registers. So hence add instruction, even though it is with the ALU, it has to wait until and unless the instruction transfer the data from the memory location to the register 1. So this example shows one cycle interlocks caused by the load use. Otherwise, if there is a add instruction is there to execute these two instructions, it would have taken only 2 cycles. Because of the load instruction takes 2 cycles and add instruction takes 1 cycle. Altogether, it is a 3 cycles. Even though you are using pipelining to execute these two instructions, it is taking 2 cycles. One is for the performing operations on the load, and the second one is transforming the data from memory location to the third one. And the third cycle, the processor perform operations on the instruction called as a add. Okay, I have shown the numbers also. First instruction is represented with the 1. It will come here. Try to make the difference between first case, in the first cycle, it was 1 is in this. Second cycle, add come to the ALU. So here also, the second cycle add come to the ALU, but the processor is busy in transforming the data. That is what it has been stalled. Okay, this is what the kickback of the one disadvantage of